You all got to see this. So I heard the birds. Well, the windows are all, but wait for it. So I literally surrounded. Wait. By birds. Like, look at this. This is wild. I'm not going to open the door because I've seen that movie. But yeah. Like, I don't know if you can see that line over there. But as far as the eye can see, there's birds. Believe it or not, I'm parked in the car parking lot, but isn't this wild? Oh, it got blurry. There it goes. All over the trucks. Stop blurring. Haven't you seen this movie before? I've seen this movie. I love it. It's my favorite movie of all time. But I'm not getting out of this van. That's wild. Just wild. Like all over the grass. The lines. The vehicles. I had to show it to you. I've never seen this before. I am in Denton, Texas. At a Love's truck stop. And the people in there were absolutely fabulous. But I just had to show you this because, man, it's hilarious. Well, I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to get back to work on my computer and try not to think about the millions of birds that are out there. See you later. Don't forget to check me out. chipmunksrvlife.com. Check out my blog. Find out all the places I've been. It's been a wild ride so far, and I'm looking forward to a lot more. See you later.